Hey there, Chris McCarthy here with Brand Identified, and today I'm going to walk you through an AI business integration plan and framework to help you design your lead magnets and your digital resources. You will be able to use this 6-step framework to create high-value lead magnets that attract the right audience, showcase your authority, and drive consistent inbound leads. So this is what we'll cover today. So first off, we're going to go through that 6-step AI-powered framework. Then I'm going to help you answer the 10 questions that you must answer and define for your AI strategy. Then I will show you how to accelerate your strategy with the custom GPT BrandOptimizer.ai. Then I'm going to walk you through a 6-step AI prompt sequence to customize your framework and your strategy specifically for your business, also using that custom GPT BrandOptimizer.ai. And then finally, I will show you how to install Brand Growth AIOS into your business. So let's get started. Step number 1 of this AI-powered framework is to define. So start by answering these 10 questions about your topic, your audience, your value proposition, and your delivery method. Your answers will help us design a resource that attracts qualified leads and builds long-term brand credibility. So question number 1, what topic or value does your lead magnet deliver to your audience? Your lead magnet should provide immediate relevant value. Defining the topic helps to ensure that it solves a real problem or addresses a timely need. Question number 2, who is the resource designed to attract or qualify as a potential lead? A strong lead magnet is targeted. Knowing your ideal audience helps shape the tone, the format, and the positioning of the content. Question number 3, what format do you envision using for this? So is it a guide? Is it a checklist? Is it a playbook? Is it a worksheet? Choosing the right format ensures that your lead magnet is easy to consume, it aligns with your content style, and it matches your audience's expectations. Question number 4, what is the main transformation or takeaway that someone should get from using it? Effective resources offer a clear win. Whether it's clarity, insight, or a practical result, we want to define the value users will walk away with. Question number 5, how would this lead magnet be used within your broader marketing funnel? Understanding where it fits, for example, top of the funnel, nurture, or conversion, helps us align the design and the calls to action with the next steps that you want users to take. Question number 6, do you have the raw content ready or will it need to be written or outlined first? Knowing what's already created helps us scope the project and determine whether we're starting from scratch or if we're refining existing materials. Question number 7, how should your branding show up visually throughout the resource? A well-defined lead magnet reinforces your brand identity. We'll need to understand how your fonts, colors, tone, and visuals should all be applied. Question number 8, what tools or systems will you use to host, deliver, or gate the download? Your delivery method, for example, email automation, CRM, or file hosting, will determine how we format and structure the final resource. Question number 9, what follow-up or nurture strategy will support leads after the download? A great lead magnet opens the door, but without strategic follow-up, leads often will go cold. So we need to know what happens after someone downloads the resource. And then finally, question number 10 here is, how will you measure whether the lead magnet is driving quality leads and engagement? Tracking its performance helps us improve the results. So knowing your metrics lets us align the design and the content with the measurable outcomes. So step number 2 here is to plan, and that is outline the strategic intent and the outcome of your lead magnet. A successful lead magnet doesn't just offer free content, it's designed with intent. This step defines the transformation that you're offering and how it fits into your funnel. So identify the one pain point or curiosity trigger that it addresses, define the before and after, what will the user gain or learn, and ensure that it aligns with a core offer, service, or product. Now with this step and all upcoming steps within this framework, I provided you with an AI prompt to help you out. Now more specifically, I've given you a BrandOptimizer.ai prompt. Now Brand Optimizer is a custom GPT that I've developed over at Brand Identified based on working with hundreds of clients over the past 25 years. So I want to make sure that you're taking this prompt and all the prompts in this framework and adding them over into BrandOptimizer.ai, not just ChatGPT or another large language model, because only BrandOptimizer.ai has access to that complete knowledge base over at Brand Identified. So for example, with this prompt, we are and you would put your business type in there that serves, and you would enter in your target audience. And then based on our answers to the lead magnet questions, help us outline a high value lead magnet idea, including topic, format, target audience, and funnel alignment. So you will take this prompt, you will take the 10 questions that we went over in step number 1, and then you're going to take the answers from those 10 questions from step number 1, and you're going to go over to BrandOptimizer.ai. From here, you can click on Launch the Custom GPT. That's going to open up ChatGPT, but into the BrandOptimizer.ai interface. So this will be the prompt window where you enter in all of the prompts from step number 2, and then all of the upcoming prompts in this framework as well. So moving on here into step number 3, and that is to outline. Build the structure and the content flow of your lead magnet. Once the purpose is clear, structure the content in a way that delivers quick wins, keeps readers engaged, and leads naturally to your offer. So choose the right format, whether that's a checklist, a guide, a playback, or a quiz. Break the content into digestible, skimmable sections, and then add prompts, worksheets, or calls to action for interactive value. And then I've given you another BrandOptimizer.ai prompt for step number 3. So moving on to step number 4, and that is to design. Bring the lead magnet to life with visual clarity and brand alignment. Even the best content gets ignored if it's hard to read or if it's off-brand. This step ensures that your lead magnet looks professional, on-brand, and it's easy to consume. So apply your brand fonts, colors, and layout consistently. Use icons, images, and white space to aid in readability, and optimize for mobile and desktop viewing formats. And then I've given you another BrandOptimizer.ai prompt to help you out here in step number 4. And then step number 5 is to deliver. Set up your delivery system and integrate it with your funnel. It's not just about having the lead magnet. It needs to be easy to access, properly gated, and followed up with value that builds trust. So host the resource in a way that's fast and mobile friendly. Connect to email automation or CRM tools to follow up, and write thank you page copy and follow-up emails that build momentum. And then I've given you another BrandOptimizer.ai prompt for step number 5. And then finally moving on here into step number 6, and that is to promote. Get the right people to see, click, and download. A great resource needs smart promotion. This step focuses on getting it in front of your target audience in a way that earns attention and drives action. So write 3 to 5 promotional messages tailored to different platforms. Identify the right channels, whether that's social, email, ads, or partnerships, and add calls to action to your website and existing content to drive more downloads. And then, as always, I've given you another BrandOptimizer.ai prompt to help you out here in step number 6. So moving on here, this is a 6-step AI prompt sequence that I've developed for you that you can also use over at BrandOptimizer.ai to instantly create your custom strategy for your business. Now, the first prompt here, this is your strategy prompt, and that is, help me build a lead magnet strategy that attracts qualified leads and reflects our brand's authority. Prompt number 2, this is your execution prompt, and that is, give me a step-by-step plan to create, design, and deliver an effective lead magnet for our audience. Prompt number 3, this is your audit and your optimization prompt, and that is, audit our current lead magnet and recommend improvements to increase value and conversions. Prompt number 4, this is your template and your tool prompt, and that is, provide a lead magnet template or an outline that we can use to create a high value downloadable resource. Prompt number 5, this is your role-based prompt. So that is, how should and you will want to enter in your title, your role, or a position within your organization. So for example, content marketer, founder, or lead generation manager, approach lead magnet creation and promotion. And then finally here, your 6th prompt is your integration prompt, and that is, how does a well-designed lead magnet support list building, nurture campaigns, and overall marketing strategy? So this leads us to Brand Growth AI OS. This is an AI-powered operating system to optimize your business. Brand Growth AI OS is a proprietary 16-phase optimization and execution strategy that integrates 60 specialized services into one unified growth engine. It is designed to transform your business into a high-performance, fully optimized, and scalable operation. Every service is delivered in a structured, sequence-based framework that starts with deep diagnostics, applies proven strategic models, and then executes with AI-enabled tools and automations. Now, I've prepared a short video overview of Brand Growth AI OS that I'll launch here in just a few seconds, but I also want to make sure that you check out brandidentified.com for more information, and then also brandgrowthaios.com as well. The Brand Growth AI OS is a complete operating system for your business. It's a proprietary 16-phase optimization and execution strategy that pulls together 60 specialized services into one unified growth engine. The entire system is designed to take your business from where it is today and transform it into a high-performance, fully optimized, and scalable operation. Now, here's the important part. This isn't just a collection of services thrown together. Every step is structured, it's sequence-based, and it follows a very specific framework. We begin with deep diagnostics, then move into proven strategy models, and then bring it all to life with AI-enabled tools and automations. Once the Brand Growth AI OS is installed inside your business, here's what you can expect. Your company will run on a streamlined, data-driven, AI-supported infrastructure. You will deliver a consistent, high-quality client experience that drives both retention and referrals. Your offers, pricing, and positioning will be optimized for your market. You'll have predictable opportunities coming in through campaigns, funnels, and content systems that are built to work together. And you, as the founder, along with your leadership team, will finally be able to focus on strategy instead of being stuck in daily execution. So let's talk about what that means for your role versus ours. Your role requires only a minimal time investment, about 15 minutes per day for quick approvals and roughly 30 minutes a week for high-level strategic reviews. That is it. Our role is to handle everything else: the audit, the strategy, the design, the build out, the optimization, and the execution of your complete Brand Growth AI OS. That way, you can stay focused on leading your business while we install the system that allows it to scale.